How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your Corsair HS80 RGB Wireless headset. The first thing that you'll want to do is to make sure that there is no audio enhancement on your headset itself. So head over to your desktop. From here, click on the volume icon on your Windows tray or your system tray, which will look something like this. Click Sound Setting. Scroll down and navigate through the More Sound setting. It will open up the control panel on which you have to look for your Corsair headset. In my case, I've already changed the name of my Corsair, so it's going to be the main speaker. So in here, right click on it, click on Properties, head over to the Advanced, and you want to make sure that you are using this specific hertz right here, which is going to be 24-bit for 8000 Hz, studio quality, and then disable the exclusive mode, signal enhancements, and on the partial sounds, you also want to make sure that this is turned off. Click on OK, set the device as default, click Apply, and click on OK. From there, you then want to open up your Corsair iQ software. Basically, you can get this from the official Corsair website. Just search for Corsair iQ. Download the software and it will automatically detect your headset. Now head over to the headset icon and then you want to apply this following settings. Now this works generally for general use like gaming, browsing, watching movies, and more. And so guys, just apply this and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.